Of course my battery's dying. But of course my battery's dying. Why wouldn't it die? Hey citizens, welcome back to Life with Sid. Just last week I put up a poll on my community tab and you guys voted for a unboxing video. And guess what? I'm back with an unboxing video for you guys. Yes I am. And I'm checking off my wish list. So welcome back to Life with Sid. Louis Vuitton unboxing video, checking off my wish list. So without further ado, let's get into this Louis Vuitton unboxing. Okay guys, I am checking off my wish list. So this will be one of the very first items off of my wish list. So if you haven't watched that wish list, you don't know what you're missing. I will link it right here. Go on and check out that wish list, girl, and come on back and watch this video. And you know, for those who don't know what a wish list is, I'll just break it down real quick and then you can go watch it. It's just a list that we do here on YouTube. You write down things that you want to buy, or you're inspired by, or you're striving to get, you're saving to get, just manifesting it. Yes, write it down, girl. Write it down. I wrote it down, and this was a hard to get item. It's always sold out. Probably if you go on the Louis Vuitton website, it's sold out, but I'll still link it below. So here she is. So let's get her open. Came in the mail. I called up. It was about a 14-day wait. So let's just get her open. I'm excited. My pull tab's not working today, guys. It's falling apart. Now you can usually just pull it open. Not giving me those vibes today. Let's try this side. I don't know what's going on with this box today, guys. She don't want to come open correctly. All this trash. Let's try it again. Here we go. Here we go. Louis Vuitton. Get it open. You know what's in here. The receipt. And guys, they are back to wrapping the bow around our boxes. They had stopped doing it around holiday time. They would just send you the ribbon yourself. But now they are back to wrapping. And it's so cute. Let me get a thumbnail. Alright. So let's just get her open, guys. Look how cute she's wrapped up. Now, I don't know about y'all, but I keep all my ribbons in envelopes. And I have a plan for them. You guys will definitely see. And this is like if this was a gift. They would send these little, like a little envelope that you can write in. But this was a gift for myself, so I didn't put a message in there. I should have. Over here. And it's a magnetic box. And if you watch the wish list, I'm pretty sure you know what this is from the guys. And a nice dust bag. Yes. Here she go. Come on out. Yes, guys, it is the Louis Vuitton MM Agenda. How cute is she? Alright, let me do a quick little inspection. Make sure everything's good. Looks good. Yes. So it comes with a little snap. And it is a 6-ring agenda. And it comes with card holders over here on the side. And of course, you guys know it comes with the little code. And it was made in Paris, France. But she is beautiful. I cannot wait to get this. Has a little open and close here at the top, the bottom. And you just close it back up. Just like a regular agenda. And it has 6 card slots here, and then another little pocket here. You can put another card in there if you want. And then a little side pocket over here to fit stuff in. Oh, I cannot wait to fill her up. And then I will probably come back and do a nice little review with my agenda, let you know how I fill it up. I'm going to order some inserts. I didn't want to order the Louis Vuitton inserts. They were a little pricey, so. And it comes with, on the side where the button is, I forgot to tell you guys, it's a little pen holder here. You can stick a pen in there. So I have to get me like a cute gold pen to fit in there. A lot of gold pens I was looking for on Amazon looked like it was too skinny and it was just slide through. So I'm going to find a pen, and I'll make sure I'll link it below. But here she is, checking off my wish list. This is the Louis Vuitton MM Agenda. Okay guys, that is it for this Louis Vuitton unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you're new here, hey, thank you for stopping by. And if you're a citizen, thank you for returning. And if you're not a citizen, I don't know what you're waiting for. You stay here this long, hit the subscribe button and bell notification, so every time I upload a video, you will be notified. Until next time, Sid signing off. Peace.